Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Celebration Tidings, and this is a sweet little Thanksgiving treat bag we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Celebration Tidings, and we're going to be using these pumpkins and Always Grateful. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' and Cut and Emboss. And I have the second to the largest, or second to the smallest, and a piece of Berry Vanilla. And then I have these little leaves here I'm going to use as well. And I have a piece of the foil copper paper. And on the back I have the adhesive sheet, the foam adhesive sheet. So we'll run that through. All right, and that's all we're using that for. All right, I'll take those out when I am ready for them. All right, so I have the Cajun CRAZE, and then I have both stamps mounted on clear block E. So just like that. And then I'm going to come in with Always Grateful with my cinnamon cider. And that's mounted on clear block G. And I'm just going to put that here in the middle, just like that. Now, instead of folding it that way, I'm going to fold it the long way here. And let me get my bone folder. So just like that. And there are some on the other side, but that'll be okay. I have our gusseted bags here, and I think I'm just going to roll it up just like that. So I'll get my adhesive. Actually, you know, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the bag a little bit. I don't need that much, and these cut really easily, so all right, so we have that. I'm just gonna flap it over one flip, so just like that. Then I'm going to come in with these. And so this is going to add dimension. And I hadn't used these foam sheets before, so I wanted to be able to use them. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple treat bag for Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!